Growing up, I never quite developed a fondness for Bánh Thuẫn, a traditional New Year cake from the central regions of Vietnam that many people associate with the nostalgia of past celebrations. As a kid, this peculiar blend of dry and sweet in every bite always felt like a lump in my throat, and I never found it appealing. In the age of imported sweets showcasing a wide array of beautiful designs and flavors, where does the traditional Bánh Thuẫn fit in? It has becoming a lost art, with fewer people taking on the challenge of crafting this unique treat. The silent simplicity of making Bánh Thuẫn is perhaps why it's gradually fading into obscurity. If no one steps up to preserve this culinary tradition, it risks fading away with time. So this year, I've decided to embark on a mission to delve deeper into this dish. Can it be reinvented to be not only delicious but also contemporary while still maintaining the essence of its traditional preparation and flavor? It's a challenge, but one that I'm eager to take on. At first glance, Bánh Thuẫn appears to be your typical cake made from flour, eggs, and sugar. However, my fascinating discovery after delving into the traditional recipes of this dish was quite surprising. It's not made with regular wheat flour, but rather from Arrowroot flour. Arrowroot, a type of rhizome plant often cultivated near ponds, is harvested around the ends of the lunar year. The roots are then extracted, peeled, and ground into powder and sun-dried to create this coarse and slightly chunky flour. For this culinary experiment, I follow the traditional recipe closely. 5 parts arrowroot flour, 1 part tapioca starch. Another intriguing revelation is that Bánh Thuẫn from the central regions is crafted using duck eggs instead of chicken eggs. Whipping duck eggs creates a fluffier texture, allowing the cake to rise higher. Additionally, the unmistakable aroma of ginger adds a gentle touch to the overall flavor. After beating the eggs and combining the ingredients listed on the table, following the suggested time and speed, a batch of batter is ready in just 25 minutes. To add a twist of flavor, I incorporate grated orange peel for a citrusy note and use green tea powder, salted egg powder, creating variations like orange-scented and salted egg flavored Bánh Thuẫn. For the filling, I introduce a mix of Chinese sausage, mozzarella cheese, and raisins, elevating the traditional treat to a whole new level. And today, at my son's elementary school, the teachers and students are exploring local cuisine with Bánh Thuẫn, so I brought the batter and borrowed the molds and stoves to make extra cakes for the young students to enjoy. Baking Bánh Thuẫn requires managing two heating elements, the one in the stove and the one on the lid of the mold. Adjusting the heat to avoid burning and ensuring even rising is truly an art. While the modern electric ovens make this process more precise, there's a certain charm in using traditional charcoal stoves that adds a unique touch to each cake. The freshly baked Bánh Thuẫn, hot and fragrant with a medley of delectable fillings, disappears from the oven as quickly as it's baked. After this experience, I find myself growing fonder of this traditional cake, especially during the Tết holiday. The rich aroma of Bánh Thuẫn wafting from the warm charcoal stove adds a nostalgic touch to the chilling days leading up to Tết. It's undeniably one of those precious Vietnamese Tết memories that deserve to be cherished and preserved for the generations to come.